Google's Pixel 9a is here, and it promises flagship-level AI, a powerful camera, and all-day battery life, all at a lower price. But is it really the best budget flagship? Or should you consider other options like Samsung's A series or the iPhone SE? In this video, we'll cover performance, battery life, camera tests, benchmarks, and what customers are saying. Plus, we'll see how it's performing in the market. Stick around to find out if the Pixel 9a is the right phone for you. Now, holding the phone in hand, it feels premium for a mid-range device. The 6.3-inch actual-POLD display looks vibrant, and the aluminum frame adds to the premium feel. The fingerprint sensor is under the display, and Face Unlock is also available. Powering the Pixel 9a is Google's Tensor G4 chipset, paired with 8 GB of RAM. This chip focuses more on AI-driven performance rather than raw power. Let's look at some benchmark results. Geekbench 6. Single core score is 1,530. Multi-core is 3,344. And Antutu score is 1,049,844. Compared to last year's Pixel 7a, we're seeing about a 15 to 20% performance boost, but it still lags behind the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in competing phones. Gaming performance is decent for casual gaming, but struggles with high-end titles like Genshin Impact at max settings. Pixel phones are known for their camera software, and the 9a is no exception. Here's what we're working with. Camera specs are 48MP f1.7 main sensor comes with OIS plus AI enhancements, and 13MP f2.2 ultra-wide with 120 degrees field of view. 13MP f2.2 front camera with AI-enhanced selfies. Photo and video quality is impressive. Daylight shots stunning HDR and true-to-life colors. Low light performance. Thanks to night sight, low-light photos are detailed. And portrait mode comes with excellent edge detection and background blur. 4K video. 4K at 60 FPS with Google's AI stabilization. AI-powered features like Magic Eraser, Photo Unblur, and Best Take make this one of the most intelligent smartphone cameras at this price. But what about battery life? The Pixel 9a comes with a 5,100 mAh battery, and thanks to Google's software optimizations, battery life is one of its strongest features. Real-world battery performance. 7 to 8 hours of screen on time with regular use. Easily lasts a full day on a single charge. Supports 30W fast charging. No wireless charging, which is slightly a downside. The battery life is a major selling point for this phone. So, is the Pixel 9a worth it? Here's my final take. Buy it if you want the best camera in a mid-range phone. You love stock Android and long software updates. You need all-day battery life. Skip it if you want the best gaming performance. You need wireless charging. You want more premium build. Overall, the Pixel 9a delivers flagship-level AI features, top-tier software, and an incredible camera, making it one of the best mid-range phones of 2025. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tech reviews. See you in the next one.